Yeah, these are my eBay finds. Of course, it's my favorite, old Bachmann from 1970, 8-wheel drive, the big beefy motor, die-cast chassis. Like I said, these old engines can pull quite a bit. It's a part in a dummy. Pick these units up off of eBay for 10 bucks. The dummy has its box. The powered unit doesn't. And of course, LED headlight. They run nice. The powered unit's got its horns. Dummy unit's missing one. But that's quite alright. And horn hook couplers yet. They're going to get changed to micro trains. All four. I was thinking of adding a LED headlight to the dummy. Whenever I put it in reverse, it'll come on. But when it's going forward, it won't work. I'm going to set it for reverse. But it's got plastic wheels. I got to get metal wheels with pickups to do that. So I haven't done it yet. They're in good shape for 10 bucks. Just had to do a little bit of cleaning.